There's just something around any corner, under any log, in between a leaf. So much life everywhere you look, which is so beautiful. And it's what we're trying to show to our visitors, to our schools. Living in the city definitely isolates you a bit from all the nature. It should be seen on every corner. There should be a little bit of wildlife space that we get to create and we choose to have there and to keep there. It's so important. It's been proven that if kids don't have nice memories outdoors within a wild setting, they won't be inclined to care about wildlife later on in life. So for us, especially with kids, it's very important.